Ever find yourself stuck eating the same boring lunch every day? It's a struggle to come up with a quick, healthy meal that actually tastes good, right? Did you know you could whip up a delicious curry in just minutes using an electric lunchbox? Let's find out how. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and nutritious spinach and sweet potato curry that's perfect for any meal. If your challenge is finding a tasty and good for you meal, we'll tackle that challenge head on. Let's go. Bonjour, y'all. I'm Miss Kate, and this is Go Cuisine. Here we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you'll need 1 sweet potato, half a cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of curry, 3/4 cup of spinach, and some chili flakes and salt and pepper to taste. I told you it was easy. We'll start by washing and peeling our sweet potato, and then we'll cut it into bite-sized chunks. One thing I like about this dish, besides the fact that it's super easy to prepare, is that it is nutrient dense. And right on time, we have Remi and Jack making an appearance, asking if I'm cooking for them. But no, guys, this is for me. Although I do advocate cooking for your dog. Not this time, boys. I'm cutting this into like 1/2 inch circles, and then I will chop those into smaller pieces. Stacking them up will make quick work of cutting them into smaller cubes. Go ahead and place those directly in the bowl of your electric lunchbox. I'm using the Itaki Pro. If you don't have an electric lunchbox, you could do this in a pan on the stove and then reheat it at work in the microwave. Then I'm going to pour on my coconut milk. This is canned full fat coconut milk, as you can see here. And then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of curry. I'm using a Thai yellow curry powder. You can use the curry powder of your choice. This one's just my favorite. And then on top, we're going to pack in some spinach and add some salt and pepper. The recipe says 3/4 of a cup. I didn't really measure. I just jammed as much as I could in there. It's going to shrink. Then we need to put 2 Itaki cups worth of water in the bottom. And then I decided, why not also make some rice with this? So I did scrape out that jar that I had with the coconut milk. So you see I have coconut milk on the top, but I just used the lid to press down, well, the top pan to press down. And then I put my rinsed rice and water in there, and then we close it up and it's ready to go. So this is going to cook for about 25 minutes, and then it should be ready to go. After 25 minutes, my Itaki's turns itself off. And let's just check this rice. My rice is well cooked and fluffy, so I'm just going to fluff it up a little bit. I'm always amazed at how good the rice actually turns out in this electric lunchbox. Carefully remove that top layer, and then we're going to stir together our curry. I told you the spinach would shrink. If you find this isn't enough, you can add some more. It's still hot enough that it'll wilt it down. But I just give it a good stir so we can get all those spices mixed together. And you can see the potatoes are fork tender. This smells really good. I wish you could smell it. Now, one problem I do see with this dish is that we lack some protein, but you could easily stir in some chicken at the beginning, or some chickpeas, or maybe even some tofu would be really tasty in here. Look at how easy this was. Faster than the drive-thru, and you can feel good knowing that you're getting in your vegetables for the day. Hope you enjoyed this. Get ready for a screenshot of the full recipe. And if you enjoyed this, give me a like and a subscribe if you don't mind. And then check out this next video that YouTube has picked out for you, and we'll cook something else. Have a great day. Bon appetit. Au revoir.